Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. I thought it was about time we actually get a drive in my car now, so we're just gonna get straight into it. I'm gonna put a GoPro strap on my head. It needs to happen, and I just want to show you guys what it's like to drive. Obviously, you're not gonna feel it or anything like that, so it's kind of hard, but you should be able to hear it and see it and try to get an idea of what it feels like. But it's very fun. Yeah, let's just get straight into this. GoPro's on. The camera's just set up there to give you sort of a front perspective, but I'm gonna attempt to put this on. And I'm gonna look like an absolute joke. I don't know if that's okay. Genuinely don't know. Should we just go? If you can like see what I'm seeing, and I think we're good, but yeah, I think we should just try it. I mean, hopefully when I'm doing this, a boost pipe doesn't come off, because I don't have stronger clamps yet. I just tightened it all up. No codes or anything, so no engine light, but top up washer fluid. This looks so awkward. I really need a chest mount. I'm gonna buy one because I look like a twat. So obviously keep your eyes on this. That's one of the things which is gonna show you what it's like to drive. Does it still do the boost problem that I told you guys about? Yes, but because it's increased, it's like it does it so much that it now it just feels like it's boosting normal. It's weird because I can put my foot down now, watch it, see it does it, and it's doing it, and it just did it then, but it feels like a car just sort of picks up speed a lot faster. Yeah, the revs are at 3,000 RPM, and I can put my foot slightly on the throttle and it doesn't do it. But when I change gear, put my foot, oh fucking hell, I'm about to run some people over, I think. Yeah, so I change gear, put my foot back on, and I don't know, it's really hard to tell. I'm just gonna let the car warm up before I boost it or anything like that. Did I press record on that camera? I don't think so. Okay, whoops. Well, that camera's now recording, but at least I noticed it now and not like at the end of the video. I need tinted front windows. It's not even legal, but I need it. Oh shit, I probably should have cleaned up my car, shouldn't I? It's really, really messy. No time now. I've got so many tissues, and like I just got leftover like receipts, Tesco's, some those, and then this is just, I mean, it's actually covered in like grease because of my car. Yeah, I don't like launching this thing though. It feels really, I don't know, it's like too much torque in first gear. It's sort of, you can't do it in first gear because, see, this is the thing, I don't know how I'm going to cope when I go to Santa Pod and I try this. I'm not going to launch it, but I will be having to turn traction off because otherwise that will kick in. I mean, it's pretty smooth. This is just gentle driving at the moment. I'll put my foot down a bit, see if you can hear the turbo. I'll do it when we're not going so fast so you can't hear so much road noise. See, if that was a Fiesta ST, I probably would have gone for it, but it's just not really worth it for just a Mercedes. I really apologise about my really dirty ring window screen. It's absolutely filthy and nothing is doing anything to get off. It says I have none, but I do, apparently. So yeah, I really should have been more prepared, but I have a new job, just part-time, and I'm working literally Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and this is my only time, so I just wanted to get it up for Sunday for you guys, because otherwise you wouldn't have had anything until probably like Tuesday or Wednesday. What do I think about the map? The thing that scares me is the torque, because it doesn't matter how many people say, no, it's safe, or whatever, there's always people who say that torque curve looks dangerous or looks spiky or whatever. Am I recording? Oh, fuck it, I am now. It is pretty quick. I thought that Audi TT was gonna go for it, that's why I put my foot down. I need to, am I recording? I don't know. Okay, yeah, I can see in the mirror there is. Yeah, it does pull quite a bit. I'm trying to save my fuel at the same time, but this is going to be like this car, since it's had its remap, has been in, it's literally just been showing everyone the power of it. It's not had a day where it's just not boosting. I'm sorry, car, this is the last time I'm going to put you through this. The thing I really like about this is you can drive normally and it's as quiet as anything, but as soon as you put your foot down, the turbo is just so loud. It's not a pain to drive slow, it's just a bit, I need to really focus on it being smooth, otherwise it'll be a really lumpy shit ride, if that makes sense, because the boost seems to kick in a bit weird. By the way, my miles per gallon has increased a lot since the map, just throwing that out there. If you've got a really heavily modded car and it's not been mapped and you're getting shit miles per gallon, like for example on motorways or on just drives like this, if this was before the map it would still be on like 22, 23. Just worth it for that turbo noise. The only thing is that I'm currently setting this car back a bit, the weight. I mean, I've got a huge sub in the boot, which is extremely heavy. I don't know, but it's older than me, that sub. But yeah, that's really heavy. Obviously, I've still got the spare wheel. I've got all the carpet. I haven't like done any weight reduction. Loads of shit everywhere. The back seats are still really heavy. So when it comes to Santa Pod, I'm not really too fussed when it's just normal driving, because I'd rather drive in leisure than speed the whole time. Oh, okay, yeah, that threw me back. That threw me back. And then you get this guy who's going 5 miles per hour under the speed limit. This has roughly the same power. It may, because, well, it has more torque than Lucy's Edition 35, a lot more torque, so it's a little faster, but then nowhere near as nice of a ride as that car. That car is so smooth. The difference between putting your foot down in this car and in that car, you know you're going fast in this car, or it feels like you're going fast in this car because of the noise. But in her car, you're just going through the gears and all of a sudden you're at like 100 miles an hour already. More thrilly. But that car is definitely a nicer drive. I don't know how long I've been rambling for, but I'm just gonna end it here. I've tried to explain it best how this map feels, with obviously like everything, with how smooth it is and stuff. But yeah, yeah, right guys, I'm doing a deal for you. I have like 5 or 6 t-shirts left. I'm gonna be selling them a reduced price. I don't know what yet. See, I can't pull off in first. It just feels like it doesn't want to. There's too much power. So if you jump over to my website, all of the t-shirts and that will be on sale, 20% off. So that's pretty decent just to get the last few out. And then I will be getting some more in stock, different designs, and loads more large and extra large, because I know like loads of you guys have asked me when you're getting large and when you're gonna get more. No, when you're gonna get more large in and when you're gonna get extra large in. So I will be getting those definitely. I just didn't really know what would sell easiest. Thanks for watching guys. Hopefully I hope this is okay. Yeah, I'll do more of this for sure, but thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Fucking road is so bad. Shit. I didn't think about that.
but that sort of scared me a little bit.